breaking news, we get you more details of one important development that is underway right now in the national capital. Sheila Dikshit now is the Delhi Congress chief. In fact, we've seen a tweet that has come in from Ajay Maken, who was the previous chief but who did resign, confirming that very same development, where he goes on to say कि शीला दीक्षित जी को पुनः प्रदेश कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष बनाने पर बधाई व शुभकामनाएं. एंड ही ऑल्सो गोज ऑन टू से मुझे विश्वास है कि शीला जी की अगुवाई में हम मोदी प्लस केजरीवाल सरकारों के विरोध में एक विपक्ष की भूमिका निभाएंगे. Anuj is breaking more details of that. Anuj, I think Ajay Maken in that last line of his tweet is actually putting out the entire game. Is that not? But Sheila Dikshit might not be very averse to aligning with the Aam Aadmi Party come the Lok Sabha polls.
Well, this is the latest development what we are breaking, and let me remind you, Riti, that we broke this story first that Sheila Dikshit is going to be the next Delhi PCC chief, and Ajay Maken has resigned. But yes, if we talk about the internal tussle, this is something which is giving the hint now and making it very much clear. Because Sheila Dikshit, let me remind you, has already given a hint that if High Command will say, then she don't have any problem in going with the alliance with Aam Aadmi Party. And this is the reason what we have been told by the top sources that Ajay Maken has given the resignation because he is not willing to go with the Aam Aadmi Party. But yes, this is the big development before 2019 general election. This is to wait and watch what exactly officially comes out. But Sheila Dikshit will be the new chief of Delhi now. Former chief minister will be taking care of Delhi. Ajay Maken has congratulated her. But yes, a sarcastic tweet making the things clear.
But this is very interesting, Anuj. I think, and I'm not sure whether we've been able to hear from Sheila Dikshit yet, but of late, she had indicated that she is willing to look at any responsibility that the High Command might be willing to offer to her.
Well, actually, and yes, Sheila Dikshit is making it very much clear from the numbers of last numbers of days that yes, she is willing to go with the High Command things. Whatever will be said by the High Command, she will be following the order. And they are giving the clear hint that yes, Congress Party too is looking for an opportunity to go with Aam Aadmi Party for upcoming 2019 election. So this is something really which is going to be big and will be to wait and watch, because obviously Aam Aadmi Party leadership at some point, especially if we talk about Punjab, is never ever happy with going in the alliance with for the alliance with the Congress Party. So this is going to be another tussle for Congress Party and Aam Aadmi Party itself. But we have to wait and really see what will be the official line taken by the Congress Party.
All right, but you know, celebrations already have begun, I think, Anuj. We are able to put out these images at Sheila Dikshit's residence here. She's there. We see her now, I think, if the cameras will zoom in, we'll see her there with her supporters. They're already flashing that victory sign. And somewhere, you know, this is a personal comeback, Anuj, for a Sheila Dikshit, someone who was a very popular chief minister of Delhi, but then she had to be booted out after what happened on the Nirbhaya case. Let's listen to what's going on at her residence.
मैम वेव कर दो, वेव कर दीजिए, वेव. अरे हाथ तो हटा लो इनको. शीला दीक्षित कांग्रेस पार्टी. दे दो ना मैडम.
All right, Anuj, I'm not sure if you could actually see and hear. The photographers are very keen. They tell Sheila Dikshit ki madam ko bouquet de dijiye. So clearly, I think this is a beginning of a lot of interesting equations, Anuj, that could get underway in the national capital. Because if the AAP and the Congress actually gets together, this could mean some bit of trouble for the BJP. You know, the BJP that holds sway over the 7 Lok Sabha seats right now.
Well, actually, there is no second thought about it that this can be the trouble for BJP. But the larger question here is, will this alliance work? Because Aam Aadmi Party and Congress Party going on the same platform. We do remember what happened when Arvind Kejriwal was first elected as the Chief Minister of Delhi. He resigned when he was in alliance with the Congress Party. So on what condition he is going to come up with the alliance for 2019?
Okay, Anuj, these are going to be busy days for you because you track Delhi politics for us. For what of time I'm intervening. Thank you.